In today's video, we're going to be showing you a few different ways that you can reverse a list in Python. Let's kick it off here with example number 1, using the dot reverse method that is built into lists. So let's say you've got your example list here. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you can do is call your list variable dot reverse, and what this does is it takes your actual variable and reverses it. As you can see, we're printing list example here. It's the same variable throughout. It's not a copy or anything like that. It is the actual list. So let's just say, well, you don't really want to do that permanently. You just want it temporarily reversed, or even a copy of it to be reversed while maintaining the original. What you can do is use some for loop magic. So I've done here, we've got to use a list example 2 since the original is already reversed, but let's take a look at it. Same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What you can do is for I in, and then use this reversed method here on your list example 2. And if you wanted to store this in another array, you would declare an array up here. You would, and then add some logic in here to append the elements on as you go through. But what this does is it will reverse the list on the fly and make you go through each one. As you can see here in our example under print 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, so that works. And then we're using the same thing, so you can see that we didn't break it, we didn't accidentally permanently reverse it or anything like that. It's another for loop, but this time we are using a slice instead of a function. List slicing is similar to string slicing. It's the exact same thing essentially, since strings are treated as lists in Python. But you've got a start, a stop, and a iterator, or a step. And by saying, by not specifying start and not specifying stop, we are saying, step me through backwards one at a time. And that's what -1 means. It means we will start going backwards through our list. And again, you could do the same thing here. You could create a temporary list and store whatever you want in there. All I did was print it out here. But yeah, as you can see, that's all it takes to reverse a list in Python. It's one of the easier things to do. Anyway, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.